Alright, well, we did not get the earnings we wanted from Nvidia, so not a very good earnings report and a very, very negative reaction to the quarter earnings. So Nvidia actually trended up most of the day. It closed the market at about $202, and then at market close, once they reported earnings, guys, right here it fell off planet Earth, hit $170, and now it has ticked down even more since, and it's currently sitting at $165.40. So let's go take a look at the report. This kind of sucks. On the other hand, like I said, mentioned in my video the other day, I'm going to continue to stay long with Nvidia, and I'm just going to eat the loss and add to my position in my M1 Finance portfolio. You know, I still think this is a great company. This has been Q3 of 2018 has been the worst round of earnings I can remember in clear memory. I'm not even going to lie to you. Between all the big tech companies, the MJ companies, and just the whole entire stock market as a whole, Q3 of 2018 has been terrible across the board. So I'm not going to get emotional here and sell off one of my favorite companies or try to move out of the position, because I know how great Nvidia is, and you know, this price will recover quite a bit as we get in a little bit more of a bull market. But yeah, my position is not looking very good right now. Alright, so here it is, guys. Nvidia beat by 13 cents on the top line, but they missed revenue by $60 million, okay? And they're still at a plus 20.5% year-over-year growth rate, and they had a revenue of $3.18 billion. So $60 million, not a huge miss if you compare it to the $3.18 billion, but a miss nonetheless. And there is a couple of things, also a couple little articles I'm going to go through. We actually got some good news in here, if you want to look at it like that. So right here's the good news, guys. Nvidia declares a 16-cent dividend. So read across here, guys. The share of the quarterly dividend was a 6.7% increase from the prior dividend of 15 cents. So now the forward yield is 0.32%. Now, Nvidia has never paid a very big dividend, and that's never really been the motivating factor why anybody has gotten invested with them. But this is a little bit of good news. We need to try to focus on the positive things going on right now. And so we did get a small dividend increase. So a while back when I made my Nvidia stock analysis video, guys, this is probably one of the first things I talked about in that video, is that as the crypto boom comes to an end, Nvidia will see some downward guidance, okay? And that has certainly come true here. So Nvidia plunged 16.6% on Q3 results, and it just kind of recaps their EPS and revenue figures. But the downside guidance, guys, is the absence of the cryptocurrency mining, okay? And that has also took a big hit on AMD as well. So Q4 revenue has downside revenue of $2.78 billion, plus or minus 2%. The non-GAAP gross margin of 62.5%, plus or minus 50 BPS. Operating expense of $755 million, and other income expense of $21 million. Let's take a look at the revenue by market platform. I think that's always something I really key into whenever Nvidia reports earnings. But their gaming, guys, up 13% year over year. Professional visualization is up 28% year over year. Their data center is up 58% year over year. Automotive is up 19% year over year. And OEM is at a negative 23% year over year. So that is really hurting them, OEM and IP. So again, like I said, the big crypto boom of 2017 is really what, you know, kind of pushed the stock up so high. And now that is coming to an end, as you know, cryptocurrency is just not the hot commodity any longer. Now, this little management quote right here, guys: our near-term results reflect excess channel inventory post the cryptocurrency boom, which will be corrected. I feel the exact same way. Like I said, I'm going to stay long with Nvidia. I'm actually probably, when I get done uploading this video, probably going to go on my M1 Finance and buy shares at these levels here and try to lower my cost basis down even more. So this is the part of investing that can be tough sometimes, is standing by a good company when the share price is not in a good place. But again, just to kind of reiterate my point, look across the stock market. Q3 of 2018 has almost been historically bad. I mean, nearly every industry has been hit on some level from this. You know, oil is at a 52-week low. Tech has gotten wrecked. You know, like I said, the marijuana industry has gotten wrecked. You know, the only stock, long-term stock I have that has gained value through this whole thing is Verizon Wireless. I have a couple of ETFs that have done pretty well too right here as of lately, guys, but you know, add Nvidia to the list of you know, the companies I love, the companies I'm going to stay invested with, that got slashed really hard in Q3. So, you know, my long-term thesis still stays intact with Nvidia, does not change. I just look at this as a cheaper level to buy shares at. So anyways, guys, that's all I've got, and thanks for watching the video.